Hello and welcome along to another video about Math Whiteboard. I am What the Trig Math. Here in my Math Whiteboard then, what I want to do is just drag a PDF onto here, and I've shown you this in a video before, but again, just picking up that PDF, drag it onto the Math Whiteboard, and it will then split it for me and set those questions as the background. So you can see each of the pages of the PDF has now been set as the background in the Math Whiteboard. But that's not what I'm showing you today. What I'm showing you today is the Click to Reveal tool. So the PDF has been split. Each page of the PDF is the background now on my Math Whiteboard. But that's not what I'm showing you today. What I'm showing you today is the Click to Reveal tool. So under here, I'm going to insert a text box. And I've got my text box now, and I'm just going to drag it over here. And the question is write 9/10 as a decimal. So I'm just going to edit that text box in there. I'm just going to pop in that answer, which should be 0.9, and we'll set it as OK. So there's the question and there's the answer. But what I want to do is hide that from my students until they have had a go themselves, and then they click to reveal the answer. Well, clicking under the arrow here, click to reveal, it's now changed that and it says click here for the answer. And what you can even do is change the prompt, and we'll say open me after you have tried it. That's just how I would speak, and that's how I say it to my students, but there we go. Open me after you have tried it. They can then be shared this Math Whiteboard by copying that link and sharing it with them. And then they can just click on here as they're going through and open it to check their answers as they go through. So a little overview then of Click to Reveal in Math Whiteboard.